Hello, my name is Jeff and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Our website is selectmotors.com. This is a 2014 S550 4Matic with a sport package. It's a diamond white pearl with a beige leather interior. This is a stunning color combination along with the sport package. Makes it a very outstanding example of a Mercedes flagship sedan. Has lots of options. That's the 20-inch wheels. That was an option. These cars have soft closing doors. You don't have to slam them. Naturally, it's got heated and cooled seats, 2 screens, glass panels in the front and the back, Burmeister sound system, and it's a 2-tone interior. Dark brown dash and upper door panels. Has power shades in the rear doors and in the rear window. Lots of room. This is a long wheelbase. Has a powerful V8 twin turbo, silky smooth suspension, and you can set it for sport handling or comfort. So wood grain steering wheel. It's hard to go over all the options that this vehicle has. We have a link on the description on our website, and it'll go right to the window sticker. Lists all the options. Has low miles. This vehicle cost about $115,000 when it was new. That includes $20,000 in options. So this makes this pretty unique S-Class. Just a stunning automobile, and it's the best part is driving it. Thank you for looking in. Give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about this beautiful Mercedes.